I'm making another recording of the sewer line here at 3412 21st Ave West. Where we are right now with the camera is right out close to where we dug our hole out in the yard. There's a tie-in on the left side of the pipe here. You can see the pipe is slightly offset in the plastic. I want to go investigate and see if that could possibly be the neighboring townhomes tie-in to this line, which would be upstream of the work that we've already performed. So I'm going to come back from this point. We'll get a look at the line for 3412 here. It's all been replaced with plastic, as it should have been. Come back around the corner, the tie-in, couple of tie-ins. There's our clean out I'm making this recording from. I'm going to end the video there.